Welcome to day 6 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Today, we're focusing on mindful showering, a practice that transforms an everyday routine into a moment of relaxation and self-care. A mindful shower is more than just getting clean. It's a chance to pause, connect with your senses, and let go of stress while you refresh your body and mind. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice. A mindful shower. Whether you're preparing for the day ahead or winding down in the evening, this practice will help you make the most of the moment. Let's begin. Before you step into the shower, take a moment to prepare your space. Adjust the water to a comfortable temperature. Consider dimming the lights or lighting a candle to create a calming atmosphere as the water touches your skin. Bring your attention to the sensation. Feel the warmth, the pressure, and the way it flows over your body. Let each drop ground you in the present moment. Notice the sound of the water, the smell of your soap or shampoo, and the texture of the lather in your hands. Tune in fully to each sense, letting the experience become richer and more vivid as you wash. Imagine the water carrying away any tension or worries. With each rinse, feel lighter and more refreshed. Visualize yourself letting go of what no longer serves you. As you finish your shower, take a moment to express gratitude. Appreciate the water, the warmth, and the chance to care for your body. Allow this feeling of gratitude to stay with you as you dry off and continue your day. So, why does a mindful shower matter? It's a simple yet profound way to weave mindfulness into your daily routine. By being present, you turn a functional task into an opportunity for relaxation and renewal. Mindful showering helps you find calm in the chaos and reminds you to cherish the small, soothing moments in life. Now, let's reflect. How did mindful showering change the way you experienced this routine? Did you feel more relaxed or more connected to your body? For more mindfulness practices, visit the Serenity Mindset blog. A detailed guide for today's mindfulness practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on day 6 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Let's carry this sense of presence and relaxation into the rest of our day. See you tomorrow for day 7. Stay serene and let each moment refresh your soul.